Hi everyone and welcome to today's practice. My name is Kseny, this is my dog Altai, and today we have a Qigong routine for you for strength and flexibility. This one is good if you're short on time, but you still want to cover the whole body, do some breathing and feel good. This is the one to do. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin today's practice. Begin in a standing position. Take a few seconds here to adjust your alignment. Keep your spine nice and straight, your feet firm on the ground. Relax your neck and shoulders. Lengthen through the back of your neck and reach upwards through the crown of the head. Take a moment here to soften, settle in, and relax your mind. We're starting with a twist and turn exercise. Begin the momentum from your legs and your feet. And take this time to correct and adjust your posture. Begin to soften through different areas of the body, especially your neck and shoulders. Relax your lower back. Soften your hips. And allow your body weight to sink down into your legs. Feel your feet connected to the ground. You feel stable. You have a solid foundation through your lower body. And let's take a nice deep breath in through the nose. Exhale with a big sigh. Yes, buddy. Breathe in. And out. Just listening to the sound of your own breath, softening, loosening up. One more time, breathe in. And out. Very good. Slow it down. Come back to center. And take a moment to feel what begins to happen in your body. Then go ahead and open the hands through their sides. Relax your shoulders, palms facing down. Opening your entire body in all 5 directions. Then slowly turn your palms up. Go all the way to the top. And lift yourself by the crown of the head. Come up on your toes. Opening, lengthening through the entire spinal column. Turn your palms down and begin to soften. Relax. All the way down to your feet. Go ahead and repeat. You found his favorite toy, squeaky toy, but we are focusing on ourselves. Opening the body first. Turn your palms up. Go all the way to the top. Slow and steady, opening through the body upwards. Release and come back down. Relaxing every muscle along the way, letting it flow. Very good. One more time. We open first. We turn. Go up. Staying fully present on the sensations inside your body. Feel this opening. Release and notice the changes. Big wave of relaxation flowing down. Then go ahead and repeat the same, focusing on the front, lengthening and opening through the ribs and the chest. Stay on the ground, look up. Release and soften. Taking your time here to observe and feel. We go again. Lift, turn, press out, look up. Your focus is at the front of your body. Release slowly and notice the shift as you relax and soften. One more time. Go up, turn, press out, release, and relax. Relax your whole body. Take a moment here. Then go ahead and interlace your fingers. Lift to the chest and press out, opening through the back. Round your elbows, turn to the side. Same time, look away. Head turns the other way. Come back. And repeat on the other side. Keeping your spine nice and straight. Come back to center. One more time on each side. Turn. Release. Open through the back of the shoulder. Nice long neck. Back to center. Push forward. And then relax your hands down. Soften. Feel free to shake it off. Staying very, very relaxed. Next, we're going to do the hip rotation. Not too fast, not too slow. Find the right pace for you and simply bring your attention to the hip area. Feel the skin stretching, feel the muscles and tendons, feel your hips moving, all the internal dynamics, the internal life. Notice, observe, reconnect to your body. Change the direction. Trying to stay within your comfort zone so you don't feel any pain or discomfort. You're pushing through. Just release a little bit, lessen your effort, and you'll be there one day. Regular practice is better than forcing through it. Very, very good. We're back to center. And now we're going into the spinal wave. The aim here is to gently massage the muscles of the back, loosen the hips, relax the pelvis floor, so keep it soft, keep it gentle. But when your full awareness, be right in your body, following that wave up and down. Release the back of the neck, make it soft, like an extension of the spine. And the head rocks back and forth. I'm going to come back. Just feel every joint in your body Begin to open, feel the muscle, begin to let go and relax more and more. Force nothing. Let it happen, let it be natural. Very good. One more time. Up and down. Come back to a good stance. Relax lower back, soft hips. From here, we're going to bring the feet together. Come down. And then push your knees out. Flatten your back. Feel it open at the back of your legs. Along the spine as well. All the way to your neck. Then back to seated position. And repeat a couple of times, taking our time here. Forward, back, forward, back. Also, this is a good opportunity to feel the warmth coming from your hands, warming up your knees, bringing the energy. Very good. One more time to the back, forward, and up. Very, very good. Shake it off. Keep your hands nice and warm. Very, very good. So warmed up the knees, warmed up the hips. Now, fantastic exercise to really, really stretch and open the entire body. We're gonna go all the way down. So here's a good test. But only go down if you know that you can stand up. If your knees are sensitive, stay about this area. Make sure you can go up and down easily. Those of you who've been practicing or feel good, go ahead and sit all the way down. Spiral, making your hands into a loose fist. And then pull with a straight spine, bringing your hands to the waist. Open your chest, squeeze your shoulder blades together. Right hand forward, extending through the fingers. Opening, opening, opening. Then lean to the side. Open the rib cage. Twist from your hips and your waist. Reach forward. Here, bend your knees and squat down. Using the strength of your legs, all the power is right here. Spiral, go up. Hands to the waist. Same on the other side. Open. Lean to the side. Turn, reach forward. Release. Squat down. Open the palms. And we repeat one more round. Scoop. And lift. Go up. Lean to the side. Really feeling what's happening in your body. Soften to turn. Reach forward. Release. Go all the way down. If you can, palms open, scoop. Bring to the waist. Open your chest. Right hand up. Lean to the side. Turn. And go down. Open. Open, open, open. Really, really keeping this power in your legs. And then with your head up, stand up. Relax the hands. Let's take a nice deep breath in. And relax the entire body. Soften. Let your legs, let your hips relax. Breathe in and out. And guide your hands to place on your belly. We take a couple of deep breaths into the belly. Full awareness right here in our body. Go ahead and breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And out. Slowly open your eyes. And relax your hands to the side. Very, very good. Bring your feet together. And finish your practice. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this short routine. You can do it on a daily basis and see how you feel. And if you would like to practice longer routines, please consider joining my membership site. We go in live every Sunday. We have an amazing community from all around the world. So you guys can meet each other, practice, and just be part of this Qigong community. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon.